So if we were on roadkill, we would probably have put this together and drove it home. Hey, Dad?
Maybe. It's got ventilation coming from the top.
Where are we going today, Dad?
For ice cream.
Ice cream. Sweet.
Yeah, but it's right after we pick up El Camino, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who's it for?
It's for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should we feature it on the YouTube channel?
If you want, we can do that.
Okay.
Yeah. It'll be a big show.
Sounds good. I actually like it. It'll be nice to do yard work with a truck, hey?
Yeah. There we go.
So, there we go.
What
And
is
it's
that?
actually the front axle.
Hey. G'day, Dev.
I have no idea. Right there is a piece that we knew we had to turn by this.
You couldn't have like a spinning wheel or like.
We would do. I think we'd have to do it on the computer and then just pretend to do the wheel after kind of thing.
Yeah.
So we could do it first and then make
No. That's
Yeah, something with this big block and put in. And like, is he? I must have missed this.
wheel on the computer.
Are you excited, Dad?
Oh yeah, you'll see it. Jordan, I started up in the gym again today.
How'd that go?
Good.
Are you sore?
I said,
It's not morning yet.
I said when Parker asked if I have a baby, my tummy, I said, then it's time.
Parker.
Okay.
It's right here, Dad?
Better push over there.
Okay. Is that his parents' yard?
Yeah.
Okay.
He was hoping that he could get it, eh?
Well, hey.
Look like they should.
That's a cool backup setup.
Yeah. Except that I tried that and I went all crazy because I couldn't get the boat in the water. And I said, I can do something. These dogs have been playing in the.
Is he going to be sad to let it go, you think?
I don't think so.
It was sitting right by this tractor.
He was just ready to move on from it.
No, I don't think there's any chips in it. Like, I think all the glass.
Yeah, I'm still gonna pull it out. See what it looks like.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, it's kind of airy under there.
That looks like my Land Cruiser. Nice.
I think this one's
Yeah, just even like just one into here. Yeah.
Hey, Dad, do you think this would haul a camper if you get a camper to come camping with us?
body wise, it's really good.
That would be cool, actually, if you get a bowler to tow with it.
So that'd be a perfect car for some.
So if we were on roadkill, we would probably have put this together and drove it home. Hey, Dad?
Maybe. It's got ventilation coming from the top now.
You have the coolest truck here.
Yeah, I think I talked to somebody who said El Camino was off-road or something like that.
It is off the road right now.
It creaked a bit and then I stopped.
Okay.
Apparently,
Should we dump it
this thing is registered as 3/4 ton, you said?
Quarter ton.
Quarter ton. So you could use it as a farm truck with purple gas, hey? Nice.
Can you see where it's supposed to latch?
Dad, you've practically restored it in half an hour here. Fingers good?
All good.
Need a little right.
I think we should put it in neutral, right? Or is it neutral?
Yeah, it should be.
Oh, so we do-
It's on the backside too.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, how do you feel about your new purchase?
It's good. It's nice. I think it's more than we all thought it was, right?
It's
More work or more?
It's
Yeah.
so sweet.
Oh yeah, work will be that. We know.
You have that retirement full-time schedule rolling with you, hey?
I do. You had 100 people waiting for it. At any point in time, if it changed anything, it would be gone. So.
He said that, or his girlfriend said, I think one guy came by and said it was a piece of junk and offered him $1,000 for it.
Oh yeah. Obviously, he wasn't watching.
What's that?
That guy missed out.
Who's that?
Whoever that was.
Yeah, he could have had a pretty sweet car.
I like it. Put it back together.
You know, this is,
Fully assembled.
it's, would you say you restored it in about 45 minutes? Oh, our team of my brothers.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and my uncle here, he's the crew chief. And then my pops here. And I'm on marketing, I guess?
Yeah.
Okay, because I didn't really do much. Alright guys and girls, we've picked the car up. We're at Sills for some ice cream. And we're going to have a little bit of a supper. And then we're going to take the thing home to Dad's house. So he's pretty excited, and I think we all are at this point.
One used Tesla for sale.
You should park them both in here. It would look super sick.
Not with the my stuff.
The ones,
Just for one picture.
are you gonna give me a rev? It really doesn't, hey? He's gonna jackknife the bumper or no? We gotta unload it though, hey?
You gotta move over a bit, eh?
Or are you putting it right?
You gotta move over.
Are you putting it on the grass or what?
Well, we've had just a day of tearing this car apart and seeing what we all need. It's definitely going to need some all new floor. You can tell we got air conditioning.
But it doesn't smell like mice anymore, right?
We're getting closer.
How did Jordan and Steve say? Like Starry Night, hey?
Yeah. And in here,
I'm guessing that's typical on old El Caminos? I don't know.
we will make it different. Change it up.
At least now we can video document the build for you, hey?
Yeah, just take that bungee cord, keep the door shut. Well, it doesn't matter. These tires are waving.
So the plan is to wrap some items and then if we have time make some door panels. But this is the rear dash. We're gonna wrap this. I believe, Brian, was that an original one from the car? Or did you build this from scratch?
No, that was in the car.
So this is a reuse from when it was hot rodded the first time. And then he has built a headliner from fiberglass and the plan is to wrap this. So second upholstery job for me. We're gonna see if we can make it look seamless. Hey guys and girls, we're continuing at Brian's shop here. This is evening 3 or 4. I think, on this headliner. It takes a little bit to figure out. Once you figure it out, everything rolls smoothly once you got a plan. So this is side 2. Right now I'm templating. I'm making the templates from the other side work here. I saved them all. So let's go over here. So we got this for the headliner. Brian's going to restain it all to match the color of his car, which we'll show you in a bit. But we've got nice seams in here. This was really challenging, these curves to get in here. We had to take it as it falls. So we'll get this cleaned up. It'll hit the paint booth. It'll look good. So I don't know if Dad wants to show that off there.
Oh, yeah. Okay, now this is pretty. Brian, just wave an ankle or something.
Hi.
There you go.
Have a blast.
Who painted that car?
Oh, somebody with lots of talent.
Talent and good looking.
Yeah, there you go. That's what happens when you got a wire from scratch.
Oh yeah.
Gotta dig him out of there tomorrow. There you go. Really pretty.
Alright guys, girls, this is the green trim against the tan color. We just finished staining it. You can see the headliner there. I think that color will go really well together. You had it all planned out, hey?
It's all planned.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, part of
Perfect.
the big plan here.
It's too bad the color doesn't showcase so well in here, hey?
You should go by the length.
That's what happens when you're getting high off paint fumes.
Yeah, we don't have to leave yet.
So you could technically make a mold off of this now that it's got pleats in it.
Car looks like this. It is, what would you say, 99% complete?
Well, it's definitely close to that. Who knows how many bugs there are to work out of it yet.
Yeah,
but-
I'll get you out of the sun there. There you go. So yeah, I think it was a good build. You want to just go quickly over it, the engine size and what the mods were, just some.
It's a 29 Model A 2-door sedan. It's got a stock 302 2-barrel, overdrive, automatic overdrive, rack and pinion steering, independent front suspension, and an 8-inch Ford in the back. That's really what the drivetrain mods are.
And headlights, we went with the original, but you did some modifications on there as well.
Lowered the headlights a little bit and then put LEDs in there.
And
So it's got a reduced power draw.
took the chrome off of the front rail, and color made that the same color. The hood was a huge change. We got rid of the hinges and the sides, right? It was just not. It didn't say hot rod, right?
That's right. So yeah, that's basically what we've done here. She runs, she
Yeah.
hopefully drives.
Yeah. Yeah. The interior is, we just got to put the seats back in for the front, but very nicely done, nicely tucked away. Everything has its place. It is beautiful. Get this light out of here. And there you go, dashboard. The door panels will be going on next. Just got to put the holes in for the handles, and we are set to go. Yeah, so this is what we've been doing. This will be the end of it for now. Brian is on his way to Edmonton, in that area, and the car will eventually end up there, right, Brian?
Probably,
We're thinking. And
unless it sells.
yeah, that was the goal. Let's just close up the door here a little bit. Maybe take this off so we don't get any surprises. There we go. And this is what she looks like from the side. So Devin, that's what we got.